and this is my third video. Today I'm going to have a toy battle, the Fire Dragon against the T-Rex. So first let's take a look at the T-Rex. There's two buttons right here that make him move. His tail moves, and his mouth moves, his legs move. Not pretty much to him. And now let's take a look at the Fire Dragon. There's this button that makes him fly. His legs move up and down, side to side. He can stand on two legs. His mouth, his wings spread apart. His tail goes up and down. His mouth opens and his neck stretches out. Okay, now let's battle. 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, T-Rex is knocking him down. But the dragon's kicking him. He's kicking him down. Oh, he's down. Doesn't look that good to the T-Rex. But watch this. He gets him. He gets him. He gets him. He's biting his leg. Things don't look that good. Oh no, but what's this? Whoa. The T-Rex falls down by the dragon's tail. The back up. And he's carrying the T-Rex. He's biting him down. He's biting him. He's biting him. He smacks him in the face. The dragon flies up. But the T-Rex reaches up and grabs him and bites him in the nose. The T-Rex is hurt, so he smacks him with his head and his head busts him down. But the dragon strikes back in. What's this? The T-Rex gets him down, but the dragon is back and slashes him down. These don't look good for the dragon. But what's this? Oh, boom! Hits him in the face. The dragon is all tired out. The T-Rex is about to fall down. He falls down. But what's this? He's faking. The dragon bites him on the neck. Boom! Knocks him down and takes him out. These don't look that good. What's this? They're hurting! He burned it. He just put his horn right into his tooth. But he grabs his horn and pulls him down and gets him. The dragon falls over. The T-Rex is beating him. It looks like. But what's this? Well, he jumps back and slashes him. One final swing. But he flies up and gets him down. He bites him, but he has his horn right. The T-Rex is so tiny, but gets up. The dragon's beating him. He's trying to move around, but he gets up and takes him down and bites him right in the stomach. The T-Rex is probably gonna die. What? He slashes back. Daddy! Don't